isa sa mga former professor ko. So, I have to go. Pinapatawag na ako. Duty calls. It was nice seeing you, Sky.
Gino?
Yes?
Yung daddy mo nasan?
Kung saan ako kulong, same hospital, paralyzed from the neck down. Actually, kakasabi ni Mama, kagising niya lang. Pero, actually, hindi ko tinatanong eh. Ayoko nang malaman, ayokong makialam.